In this video, we're going to give you a complete overview of the Black Series 16 by 20 inch double station auto open heat press. This press is fantastic for increasing the productivity in your shop without breaking the bank. We're also going to show you an actual demo on how we use the double station heat press to maximize our efficiency by pressing multiple DTF transfers onto our t-shirts in no time at all. So as we look at our digital gauge, you'll see we have two different values. On top, we have our present value, or PV. On bottom, we have our set value, or SV. Our present value is where the heat press is at right now, and the set value is where we want it to be. So to change your settings on your heat press, we're going to hit set. P1 is going to be your temperature in degrees, and let's say I wanted to drop this down to 300. Hit set, and now we're going to be able to adjust our time. I want to drop that down to 10. Hit set one more time. This is going to allow us to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Of course, I do want to stay in Fahrenheit, so I'm going to hit set again. And P4 should not be adjusted unless instructed by technical support, so we're going to skip that for now. So as you can see, our set value is 300, and we can already see our present value dropping to match where we want it to be. At the very bottom of our digital gauge, you're going to see our counter. Now, this is going to count how many times the press has been used. So every time we lower the handle and the timer makes it all the way down to 0, it's going to add another number to that counter. Now, this is great for keeping track of how many t-shirts have been done on your current job, or you can use it kind of like the odometer on your car and just keep track of how many presses you've put on your machine. To adjust the pressure, we have our pressure adjustment knob, and it's strategically placed directly over the center of the heating element to make sure that we get nice, even heat distribution. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so to increase the pressure, we're going to go to the right or clockwise. To decrease pressure, we're going to go to the left or counterclockwise. This is an auto open heat press, so it's going to stay locked shut until the counter reaches 0. If you need to open the machine before that point, you hit the emergency release button right here, and it's going to disengage the magnet and allow the heat press to open up immediately. Now, the beauty of having a double station heat press is that while one item is being pressed, you can start preparing your next item. When this item is done, sliding it over is super easy. You could press this item, unload this side, and then get it prepped with your next item. And we're going to show you how to do just that. All right, so first we're going to load our first t-shirt. Of course, making sure that our garment is centered on the lower platen. We're going to position our transfer. Slide it over, and we're going to press it. Going to get my second t-shirt. Do the same thing. I'm going to load it onto the lower platen. Get our transfer ready. Now my first transfer is done. So I'm going to slide this over. Going to hot peel it really quick. Beautiful. Second transfer. And now I can go back, remove this one, and get my next shirt ready. So we are constantly pressing, constantly preparing, and we are really just maximizing our efficiency in the shop. That transfer is done. Going to go ahead and slide it over. Now, of course, I can repeat this process as much as necessary, printing as many t-shirts as possible. And there we go. That's our last shirt. You can see just how easy it is to maximize your efficiency with the HPN Black Series 16 by 20 inch double station auto open heat press. You can get more information or order your very own at HeatPressNation.com.